Commissioner Mimica, thank you very much for being here in Luxembourg. You're a Commissioner for Consumer Policy and for Consumer Protection. This is an area where probably there are examples also. Maybe you could show us concrete examples how in the area of consumer policy the European Union and the European Commission in particular has been acting in the recent past with tangible results for people in Europe.
Yes, indeed. Consumer policy is a really horizontal policy, cross-cutting policy, and there is a consumer interest in many other policy areas of the European Union. And my prime task is to bring forward the consumer's dimension in all other European policies. So I cooperate very much, for instance, with the commissioners for energy, for transport, for telecommunication, and there are some of these concrete, tangible benefits for the consumer should be looked at. For instance, when it comes to energy bills or electricity bills, we developed together with the colleagues in the energy services, we developed a more clear e-billing procedure in order to enable consumers to be completely aware and informed on the content of the costs they have for the electricity or electricity switching from one provider to the other to facilitate this switching. This is also a concrete contribution of the consumer policy to the everyday life of consumers. Or we can think of online shopping, which is really growing, booming area or completely new part, a new area of the consumer policy. And we improved now, or we are about to really improve the consumer rights when shopping online in order to increase the confidence, which is still not so high when it comes to online shopping. Improving, for instance, or prolonging the period of return of the products that are purchased online from 7 to 14 days, or bringing the new commitment obligations for the online traders to fully inform the consumers on the content of and the substances in the products that are sold online.